Hi everyone, welcome back to my class. So today in this class we are going to continue the remaining parts of the chapter crop production and management. So our chapter name was crop production and management. So let's discuss the next topic of the chapter, which is advantages of manure. We had already discussed advantages of manure. We have already discussed about fertilizers and manure. Now we are going to discuss about advantages of manure. So first of all, if manure is added to the soil, its holding capacity will increase. Why? Because soil जो है वो porous हो जाता है और वो water को hold कर पाता है. And soil के porous होने की वजह से क्या होता है? If pores are there in soil, exchange of gases will be easy in it. Means the gases which are required for soil can easily reach or trap into the soil. So that is why exchange of gases is possible in the soil. And जो भी microbes होते हैं, they are friendly with soil. Microbes will also come with the manure and they are friends of farmers or soil. Also the texture of the soil will also increase. मतलब soil की quality भी अच्छी हो जाती है इनसे manure से. So adding manure is that much important. Adding manure is important for all of these reasons. So I think you might have understood this. You are clear with this. So let's move on. So our next topic is irrigation. What do you mean by irrigation? What do plants need to grow other than sunlight, manure or fertilizers? What plants need? So plants need water. Water is also needed by plants. If water will be not there, how can seed germinate? How can a seed germinate into the plant? Yes, so water is very important. Water is necessary for the plant, for the seeds to grow into a plant. And how all the nutrients reach to the crop from the soil? The nutrients will be dissolved in water and transported through the water. For this reason, water is important. What is irrigation? It provides irrigation. In irrigation, we provide water to the फील्ड. तो बहुत बड़ी बड़ी फील्ड्स होती है. आई थिंक यू ऑल नो दैट फील्ड्स कैसे होती है, बहुत ज्यादा बड़े बड़े जगह होती है. तो उन जगहों को हम एक एक बकेट से तो पानी नहीं डाल सकते हैं, है ना. So for that there will be some system. So we'll discuss about them too. Here you can see moat, Dekli, chain pump and Rahat and drip system and sprinkler system. These all were the systems by which water can be provided to the field. If I ask you, we provide water to the field. Yes, but water is more needed in the winter season or summer season. So we all know that water is continuously evaporate through the process called transpiration from the leaves. So definitely in summer season evaporation will be more. So that is why more water is required in summer season compared to the winter season. बहुत ज्यादा इरिगेशन की सबसे ज्यादा जरूरत कब होती है? इरिगेशन मतलब प्रोवाइडिंग वाटर टू द फील्ड्स. तो समर सीजन में. बट हाउ यू डू इरिगेशन? सो फॉर दैट देयर आर मेनी वेज. लेट अस डिस्कस हियर. लाइक ट्यूबवेल्स, wells, ponds, rivers, lakes, dams and canals. These are the sources of irrigation. Okay, let's study about some specific methods of irrigation. So the water available in wells, lakes and canals is lifted up by different methods in different regions. for taking it into the field. क्या होता है ना, वाटर जो लेक्स में कैनल्स में प्रेजेंट रहता है ना, उसको किससे मतलब अलग अलग वे से ऊपर निकाल कर अलग अलग एरियाज में अलग अलग तरीके से डाला जाता है पूरे फील्ड को पहुंचे जैसा। तो उसके लिए केटल्स को और ह्यूमंस को मतलब यूज करते हैं इन सब चीजों को करने के लिए। एज यू कैन सी इन द पिक्चर, दिस ह्यूमन इज डूइंग व्हाट इट इज डूइंग इरिगेशन, मीन्स ही इज प्रोवाइडिंग water to the whole field by this way. These methods are cheaper but less efficient. So there are many ways which are traditionally done here. मतलब ट्रेडिशनली मतलब ओल्डन डेज में जो किया जाते थे ना, लाइक मोट, चेन पंप, देखली, राहत. It is a lever system as you can see here in the picture. Pumps are commonly used for lifting water. Water को ऊपर लाने के लिए pumps use किया जाता है. और they also use diesel, biogas, electricity and solar energy to these pumps. They used to do the irrigations by all these traditional ways. So we have learnt about the traditional ways. These are the traditional ways of irrigation. Next, let's see the modern ways of irrigation. As you can see, this sprinkler system is a modern way of irrigation, or is drip system. These modern methods of irrigation help us to use water economically. These are the two main system of irrigation nowadays. This system is more useful on the uneven land. Uneven land मतलब जैसे plain land नहीं होती, मतलब ऊपर नीचे वैसी land को uneven land कहते हैं. So it is very useful on the uneven land.